Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to AI Mastery Session with me, Rosemary. I'm so very excited for tonight. We're back in Google Whisk. We are doing something for PIP. PIP is a hedgehog animated character that I created, and I love Pip. Pip is amazing. Pip is neurodivergent, and I created the whole entire collection to bring awareness to neurodivergency and raise like social awareness. And right now, I have currently seven, because we just did another coloring book this past week. So shout out to me for publishing 7 publications since the birthing of Pip, which was December the 22nd, 2024. So he has came a long way, but tonight we are creating a promo reel for Pip and all of his friends. So I have defined Pip's friends. So we're going to meet Pip's friends tonight, okay? They're super cool, but I want to kind of create some short, not even a full minute promo reel. Like we're going to aim for like 30 seconds or 45 seconds or something like that. This is going to be something that I can use as like an intro for any videos in the future that I create for Pip. So I wanted to do something that would be very productive and future forward, besides creating books live with y'all today. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen. We're going to hop right into Google Whisk, and we're using Grok for our meta prompting. Meta prompting is when you use the large language model of your choice to create the prompts for you. So you direct it to refine the prompt in a way that will better be understood by the large language model. Basically, you're asking AI to talk to AI in its simplest form. And I use Grok 3 currently. One of these sessions, I'm actually going to use Gemini for you all to see, and keep it all Google. I think that would be cool for me to do. So I have been thinking about that. I want to do it offline first, of course. So let's hop into it. It's going to be a good session tonight. So I have access to beta for Google Whisk right now. So that's how I'm able to access the animation. And I'm very grateful for that. So I've been sharing my journey with you all during our streaming sessions, our AI mastery sessions together. Oh, let me connect the chat. Shout out to Twitch. Okay. I have everything set up. So let me just share. And we're going to be working. Now, surprisingly, I did not do a lot of prep today, which I'm okay with. That allows you all to really see me in my element. So the vision is to create a short promo of Meet Pip. So it would allow you all to really see me build something from ground zero. All right, so here's going to be my first prompt. I'm going to say, hi, I want to create an animation. Oh, Lord. Animation promo reel introducing Pip the hedgehog. The hedgehog and also create a way to introduce his friends, which are the characters we decided on. I'm gonna put a comma. I need you to give me the scenes and I would say the narration and animation. I want to aim for 30 seconds. Do you understand? I'm going to add some more. I'm going to say 30 seconds. Commercial style. I want it to be able to be the intro, like a show intro, even a song of some sort that we can make with Suno as well, or background music. Oh, Jesus, the spelling, Lord. Background music that we can make with Music FX. It is just to create familiarity with PIP and the friends, so he can start building brand awareness for the animation work, in addition to the published story and activity books. And that's supposed to be published. And I know I still have like mad typos and stuff like that. I do not aim for perfection. You don't need to be aiming for perfection when you are prompting. That's the beauty of it. Create a way to introduce his friend and put the other characters. Okay, let's see. This is a thread that I've been working in for a while, so I'm very curious to see how much. I'm very curious to see like what it does and what it produces. Very curious. It says, yes, I understand your request perfectly. You want a 30-second commercial style animation promo reel to introduce Pip the Hedgehog and his friends, Nutmeg the Squirrel, Thistle the Rabbit, and Sheldon the Turtle from Pip the Neighborhood Garden. The goal is to create familiarity with brand awareness. It was another character we decided on. Hold on, I need to go up. It's 5 of them. It's only one more. I want to say it's Luna. Let me scroll. I'm sorry for breathing real hard. Forgot I got this mic on. We're live. Okay. Hmm. This is still talking about the book. This was after that. We got the coloring pages. We completed that already. Okay. Hmm. Oh, I want to create that. I just seen another book concept that I haven't built yet. It says Pip discovers a butterfly. I think that'll be really nice. We'll probably work on that book tomorrow. I do need to crank out some more books though. So starting next week, if y'all really want to watch me build books, you finna watch me build books. As we got goals. I got a certain number of things that I'm trying to hit. And one of those is book production. So we published the coloring book. So that's y'all watching me build that live. And Pip Goes to the Beach still needs to be published. I know. I have not uploaded it yet. Don't judge me. But I think I finished the editing. I don't even know where I'm at on it. I can't even tell you right now. I didn't realize that y'all cannot see this tab. Let me share it. I've been in Grok this whole time. Y'all weren't able to see nothing. It's okay. Y'all could hear me, so that's important. All right. Where is it? Maybe it's in a different thread. Pip sensory. Do, 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 do. Boo, boo, boo. It says last 7 days. That's crazy. Okay, it was another character, and I just genuinely don't want to make this and then leave out that character. I know Nutmeg Thistle, and it was somebody else. It's Nutmeg Thistle. It's 5 characters, including Pip. So it's like Pip, and he got 4 friends. But I'm trying to get the character description of the 4 friends. Okay, we're all the way at Pip Learn Shapes. So we have gone too far. I'm just scrolling through the conversation to grab all the names so everything can be included. Pip collects a pebble. Keep going. Pip goes to the beach. Okay, yeah, Pip sensory adventures. That's a little far. They're back. Okay. So it's somewhere between this because it was okay, here we go. And there's Nutmeg, Thistle, Sheldon, that's the other name. But we're missing one more. Okay. So it's past this. You know, a good model to be able to make it can be. I think I'm going to build this as a Chrome extension. I don't even want to say it publicly, but I just got an idea of something that could really help as I'm sitting here having to do this. What happened? Like, there's no way. It's right here. It has to be on this thread. I don't believe that I started a separate thread. with this character breakdown. We're going to find it because we need it. We genuinely need it. So this is for the coloring book. So y'all trying to say, so it's apparently not under that, but where would it be? I didn't start a different chat. Let me just ask. Oh, that's not the conversation. We're gonna find it. Pimps disregarded. Pips disregarded. Okay. I'm just gonna have to ask AI. There was 4 friends. Can you name them for me? And this is not based on any specific book. This is just the overall Pip the Hedgehog and Adventures collection as a whole brand. But we are missing a character. Because I've scrolled the conversation, I didn't find it, so I'm just going to ask AI. One thing Grok is good at is this. So we have Nutmeg, Thistle, Sheldon. No, it wasn't a fox. It was not a fox. It was not a fox. I know Nutmeg, Thistle, and Sheldon were already a part of it. Did I save it? You know, sometimes I put it in my notes. Let me look in my notes, y'all. Yes, Bramble. That was the name, but it was the badger. I remember Bramble being a name. Pip. I'm going to say characters. Yeah, it was Bramble. So Nutmeg, Thistle, Sheldon, and Bramble. Yes. Okay. Let's get it started. We're just gonna go and start building this. It says Bramble. Okay. I need character prompts, very detailed, a lot of adjectives for each character, similar to the character prompt for PIP, and I also need a style prompt. Well, actually, they gave me a style prompt, so never mind. And I'm not gonna do a scene. I feel like that's gonna throw it off. So we good. Let's run with what we got. I just need the character prompts. So while that's loading, I'm gonna grab this style prompt real quick. All right. Let's put that down here. Generate. That's super weird. So maybe I should have asked for a style prompt. It's okay. Let's Pip the Hedgehog, Nutmeg, Thistle, and Bramble. All right, let's pull this all together. I need a style. Let's just ask for a style and scene prompts as well. Okay, this is a style prompt. Much better. Okay, that's really not our original Pip, but we'll figure it out. We shall figure it out. Let me grab an original Pip prompt because these prompts are so far away from what we normally rock with. So I do not, under any circumstances, want to start off on that foot. Please rewrite everything because this is an example of how Pip's character looks. So everything needs to be in alignment. So please rewrite. Ooh. Okay. So this is our new style prompt. Yeah. So we'll start with the character prompt. So now we're in Whisk. This is for Nutmeg the squirrel. Now we got Thistle the rabbit. Shell the turtle. And Bramble the badger. I'm grabbing the style prompt that we made in Grok. Okay, we got a scene prompt. I'm gonna add that. All right, scene 1. Is it clicked? Yes. Yes and yes. I didn't like those iterations. Well, I didn't like those outputs, rather. This one is more like it. Okay, we need to fix these prompts. Please rewrite the scene prompts in a way that describes the characters by description, not name. The model has no memory and needs examples and details. So rewrite. Okay. That's scene 1. Let's go to our scene 2 prompt. I like it a lot. I just wish the backpack was flat. Let me see if I can refine it. Make blue backpack. Ooh, let me space it out, of course. Backpack flat. Nutmeg looks good. change backpack to make the, what is that called? Like the lid? Is it the top of the bag flat? I'm gonna say remove the roll. Remove the roll on the backpack, or unroll the backpack. Okay, another thing I'm about to do, delete all these, of course. Instead of saying flat, I'm gonna say and flat top. Maybe that'll help. Okay, good, but I don't need a side pouch like that. Okay, much better. But it's low-key a different PIP. We'll keep going. Because that's 75%. I would have gave it an 80 if it was a backpack, which is a little bit similar to the first scene. And we overall, I be having to remind myself that models are literally globally working at a 90% accuracy. So for me to be saying it's 75%, that's pretty high. So we can move forward in confidence. All right, I'm just getting another scene prompt for scene 3 that may be a little more reliable, because it was introducing a lot of the characters, and I know sometimes the model gets confused. Sometimes I be wondering if my prompts are maybe too complex, if that makes sense. Meaning, like, I wonder if I used really, really simple prompts, will it produce better? I don't think so. What is going on? Why I can't paste? Why can't I paste? It'll be fixed in a moment. Okay, there we go. Okay, we have it's putting the backpack on the squirrel. That's crazy. And I just realized the bunny ear. Okay, this is the closest one right here. But they got nutmeg looking completely different. Let me download this image. Okay, let's just rewrite from scene to keep the same description of nutmeg in the next scenes. Maybe just create it to where Pip is seen not with all his friends at once, but one-on-one introductions. So rewrite. So rewrite. So we're rewriting it for the next scene. So we've gotten Nutmeg down packed, Nutmeg the squirrel. I was thinking moving forward, we'll just keep this whole one-on-one thing. And so it's not like they're all a collective group of friends. It's just his friends, and he has his individual relationships with every one of them. So I don't feel like it's going to be too many stories where they're all like coming together. I don't think that's necessary. And that just gave me clarity too. So we're going to go back and we're actually just going to delete all of this because it's actually starting over from scratch. So I can delete some stuff and okay. The first generation looks really, really good. Seems like they didn't change much from first. But since they rewrote everything, I just went ahead and did it that way. I'm deleting it because I don't like those images. I'm actually finna download this first image right here and add it as a subject. And I'm gonna delete that. I didn't mean to delete it. Jesus. It's okay. I genuinely did not mean to delete that. I thought by doing that it would fix it. Why is it I need it to look like a PIP? You want to know what's crazy? I don't need all of these to be selected either. I just need the ones that are going to be mentioned. And maybe I can yeah, let's try it now. I was unselecting some subjects and things. It's cute. It's just not. I'm gonna say we're going back to rewrite all visual descriptions the same to ensure character and scene and type consistency. Because it's like hopping from one style to another. That's not going to work. Okay, we got our new prompts. Let's see what's going on. That's odd. This is supposed to be scene 1. Now, I'm not mad at that. These look really nice and very cute. Even though I prefer there not to be like no shirts and nothing like that. Because that's hard to keep up with. Also, this is scene 1. So we're bringing nutmeg into scene 1. Is this a plain metal? That's super weird. Oh, I know why it's doing that. Because I have I have nutmeg selected on the subjects. My bad. Learn something new. There we go. Both of these look good right now. I'm gonna keep them because I don't decide right now. It's I have an issue with scene 1. That has not been the culprit in these reiterations at all. All right, here we go. Scene 2. I'm going to actually pull up Google Whisk in another tab so I can look at my library real quick. Hopefully it don't throw everything off. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because because I would like to see the prompt for this image. Bless me. Excuse me, Lord. Now that's the prompt input. I don't understand. It says minimal shading. It's definitely not written the same. Rewrite and start all the prompts with describing the characters mentioned, then everything else, and everything else. Let me shut this tab so y'all can see me typing. everything else, and then explicitly advise the model with the illustration style at the close. Please remember these need to be written mid journey AI art style quality. Because I noticed that too. The prompts just don't look the same. It low-key didn't do what I asked it to do. Because it's supposed to be ending in the style. And I don't see that. But I'm still going to move forward. I can't do nothing but laugh because I don't understand why this looks nothing like this and it keeps doing that. It is genuinely the same description. That's wild. I'm just going to add another subject. I just downloaded one of these recent images and I'm just going to add it and see if it's going to get it correct. That's mad. Mm-mm. Okay. All right. I'm going to try a different approach. I'm really typing in advanced prompts, so I needed to go silent to focus. Okay, let's rebuild our storyboard now. Uh-oh, that was supposed to be under subject. Let me delete it. Okay, I'm not gonna add the other characters right now. We're just gonna supposed to have a scene prompt. Let's be. Okay, the style prompt. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this first scene prompt over here, and then I'm going to put it in the middle. Why is backpack brown though? Oh, my bad. I forgot to not it. Almost. That's the closest I've seen it. I'm actually gonna keep that. Okay, now we gotta add rabbit. So let me go up here and grab thistle, the rabbit's description, so it can be added to as a subject. And then I'm gonna unselect nutmeg the squirrel because this next scene is just gonna be Pip and Thistle, the rabbit. I'm gonna add another scene. Add our prompt. Oh, okay. I wonder why it looked like that. Let's add another scene. Why does the rabbit have on the backpack? I don't like that. Let's try it again. And yeah, there it goes again. Okay, we're rewriting that one. Much. Okay. Adding our next character to the subject. So this is Bramble the Badger. Oh, and Turtle joining. No. So I'm asking Grok to break up these scenes because I just realized it was trying to introduce the turtle, Sheldon, and Bramble, the badger at the same time. No, we are not doing that. Everybody needs their own introduction. Okay, we'll keep that one. And then I need to go up here and get the description for the turtle. For Sheldon the turtle. As a subject. And that's the last one. And this is the scene. Okay, perfect. We'll go with that one. And then we got our last scene. Did I upload it? Y'all, it just came up with the turtle on its own. That's kind of scary because I did not add it as a character prompt. Uh-oh. Well, y'all keep going though. Oh, that's hard. You know that's not the final one. Alrighty. I'm scrolling to see the last animation. Yep, because we rewrote scene 3 and reload scene 4. So 1 and 2 is from the last 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the animation prompt. All right, we're about to animate now, y'all. We got all of our scenes done. It took us about 90 minutes or so. I think, yeah, took us about 90 minutes to just get the storyboard right. But when we look at it in hindsight, some animation projects takes years, and that's with all hands on deck, meaning a full production team. So we're collapsing true decades into days and months into hours and minutes with AI. So you always have to be grateful and gracious of how powerful Google Whisk is and other AI powered models are. Because 1 hour of doing this would have taken literally 2 to 3 months to get all of the frames and everything done. Okay, look at that animation. All right, looks good. Looks really, really good. Let's continue. We got to get our animation motion prompt. That's what I call them. That's what I came up with. This is something I invented. I call them animation motion. Focuses more on the motion of the images than anything else. So this is scene 2. Okay. Oh, that was beautiful. Did y'all see that? I love how it was like giving that look at the camera. That's beautiful. I like that a lot. All right, next. So we gotta scroll down because remember we had some reissues for the rest of the scenes. So this is for this one, scene 3. Okay. I like that. I like how they end up facing each other. It's moving along. All right. I like that. I like how they're engaging. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have not said that this entire stream. So whatever platform you are watching me from right now, please like, share, comment, and subscribe so you can know when I go live next. Okay. Beautiful. That's the one word I would describe this as: very beautiful, very endearing, and very on point. We just waiting on these. But yeah, Google Whisk is an amazing platform by Google Labs. And Grok did his thing tonight. I'm not gonna hold you. We had a lot of challenges, but we were able to get through it. This is perfect. Like, perfect. So we have it all together, y'all. Ooh, child. I thought we weren't going mad. It was looking a little rough. So here's our storyboard. I created a complete intro video for all of PIP Adventures, which is my book collection. We have Sheldon the Turtle, Bramble the Badger. We have Thistle the Rabbit and Nutmeg the Squirrel and Pip the Hedgehog. So all of this was created with Google Whisk. Let me see if it's going to download all the videos for me. It might. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Might have to just do it individually. And that's perfectly fine. So now we're going to go to Suno and we're going to make this theme song. If I can still, I got to scroll up to get the prompt for Suno. No, we'll just go to Music FX. Creative. Well, yeah, we'll try to do Suno. I have to switch to Safari. Because for some reason, Suno on Google Chrome, for me, at least not work the way I want it to. So let's pull it up here real quick. It shouldn't take us long. And tomorrow when we meet, I'll put it all together live for y'all. But let's make our song. Okay, perfect. I got the prompt right here. I'm going to have to share the screen. Oh, it might not let me do that. Okay. We'll have to. Well, hopefully Suno works right. So we can make this song. If not, we'll just make the background music on Music FX. Okay, that's the wrong prompt, obviously. Let's do a select all so I can get it all deleted. Okay.
Hedgehogs here, off we go. Squirrels, rabbits glow. Hedgehogs here, off we go. Squirrels, rabbits glow. Turtles, strolls, badgers near. Adventures call loud and clear. Pack your bag, the trail's alive. Every step makes dreams arrive. Clap your hands, magic's near. Backpacks ready, loud and clear. Whistle winds through forest ways. Sunlight dances gold for days. Every critter joins the cheer. The magic's real, it's here, it's here. Hedgehogs here, let's hit the track. Magic chime, the world's unpacked. Hedgehogs here, off we go. Squirrels, rabbits glow. Turtles stroll, batters near. Adventures call loud and clear. Pack your bag, the trail's alive. Every step makes dreams alive. Clap your hands, the magic's near. Backpacks ready, loud and clear. Whistle winds the forest ways. Sunlight dances gold for days. Every critter joins the cheer. The magic's real, it's here. Here, hedgehogs here, let's hit the track. Magic chime, the world's unpacked. Hedgehogs here.